Today in this video lecture, we are going to solve Khan University Examination Board Class 10th, May 2012 Maths Paper 1. So here we have our question number 1 for this year. We have three expressions, 1 over x square, 1 over xy, and 1 over xyz, and we have to find the HCF of these three terms. So HCF is the common factor among these three terms. So the common factor in these three terms is 1 over x. So 1 over x is in the first expression, in the second expression, and in the third expression. So the highest common factor HCF for this question number 1 is option A. Let's move to our question number 2. If p of x is x into 3 minus x whole square, least common multiple is this, and we have to find the other polynomial. So the HCF and LCM of two polynomials q and p are given, that are that is equals to the product of HCF and LCM. We have to find the other polynomial q, so it will be equals to L cross H divided by P. LCM is x square into 3 minus x. HCF is 3 minus x. And the polynomial is x into 3 minus x whole square. So these two factors will be cancelled out and x will be cancelled with this. So the other polynomial is x. So the correct answer is option B. Then we have question number 3. We have to simplify this expression. So let's solve this. Okay, so let's apply the completing square method or make it a perfect square. So it is 1 over a whole square plus 1 over b whole square minus 2 1 over a and 1 over d. So as we can see, this is the perfect square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be equals to a minus b whole square, 1 over a minus 1 over b whole square. These squares will be cancelled out with the root. So the remaining term will be 1 over a minus 1 over b. So correct answer is in option C. Then we have question number 4, and in which we have to find the value of a. So let's solve this partial fraction. 5 over x minus 1 whole square is equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 whole square divided by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so for the value of a, these two terms will be cancelled out. We will have 5 into a plus b into x minus 1. So let's put x minus 1 equals to 0 so that the constant b will become 0 to find the value of a. So x will be equals to 1. So for x equals to 1, a plus b into 1 minus 1. So this factor will become 0. So a will be equals to 5. So the correct answer for question number 4 is option D. Let's move to our question number 5. In question number 5, we have to find the value of x. So let's take square on both sides of the equation so that this square and square root will be cancelled out. 5 minus 2x over 2x will be equals to 0. So, and 5 minus 2x is equals to 0. 5 is equals to 2x, so that x will be equals to 5 over 2. So the correct answer is option C. Then we have question number 6 and question number 7. Which of the following property is called transitive property? So the transitive property is mentioned in our option A, which states that if x is less than y and the y is less than z, so automatically x will be less than z. So option A is the correct answer. Then question number 7, which have the solution set minus 6 comma 2, x equals to minus 6 and x equals to 2. So if we put the values one by one in our options so that we can find a solution. So first of all, let's take this one and put x is equals to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 equals to 4, and modulus of minus 4 is equal to 4, and if we solve modulus of minus 4, it will be equal to 4 is equals to 4. So this value of x satisfy the modulus equation in option A. Let's put x equals to plus 2. So modulus of plus 2 will be equals to 4, and 4 is equal to 4. So both of these values of x satisfy the first modulus equation in our option A. So this is our right answer. Similarly, if we put values in option B, C, and D, so these values of x would not satisfy these four modulus equation. So let's come to our next question. We have question number 8 and 9. 2x plus 2 equals 11, and we have to find the value of this expression. So let's find the value of x from this. X will be equals to 11 minus 2 divided by 2. So it will be equals to 9 over 2. So if you put the value of x in this radical expression, 2x plus 7. So the value of x is 9 over 2 plus 7. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We will get 9 plus 7, that is square root 16 or 4. The correct answer is option D. Then the order pair which satisfy the equation x plus y equals 3. So let's put one by one. These are the values of x and these are the values of y. So the first option, if we put value of x as 2 and y as 1, so it will satisfy the equation 3 equals to 3. So this is the correct answer. If we put these values b, c, and d, in which values of x and y are given, it won't satisfy the given equation. So option A is our right answer, and let's come to our question number 10. The point of intersection of the line y equals to 2 and y axis. So we have a line that whose equation is y equals to 2. So this is the line, and we have to find the intersection of this line and y axis. So this is the point of intersection of this line with y axis. We know that this line is passing through y is equal to 2, and at y axis all the values of x are 0. So the coordinate of point of intersection will become 0, comma 2. So the correct answer is option D. Then let's come to our question number 11. The given graph coordinate of the fourth point which will form a square. So to form a square, the point should lie at this point so that these 4 points would make a perfect square, and we have to find the coordinate of this fourth point in which value of x is 4 and value of y is 2. So coordinate will become 4 comma 2. Correct answer is option A. Then let's come to question number 12. If this equation is equals to this, we have to find the value of p. So equation on the left hand side is px square minus 5x plus 6, and on the right hand side, let's solve this expression. So by solving this expression, it will become x square minus 2ab plus b square, 5 over 2 square minus 1 over 4. So x square, x and 2 and 2 will be cancel out. We will get minus 5x plus 25 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So from this equation, if we compare the coefficient of x square, here we have the coefficient of x square as 1, and we have coefficient of x square on the left hand side as p. So if these equations are equal, it means the value of p will be the coefficient of x square on the right side of the equation. Option D will be the right answer. Then we have question number 13. 2x equals 1 over x. We have to find the value of 1 over x. So let's solve this equation. 2x square is equal to 1, and 2x square, x square will be equals to 1 over 2. Further solving this equation, x will be equals to 1 over 2 with the square root and plus minus. So the values of x are plus 1 over x, 1 over root 2, and minus 1 over root 2. So the values of x, 1 over x will be equal to plus square root 2 and minus square root 2. So the correct answer is option C. Let's see question number 14. Which of the following equation is not quadratic equation? So quadratic equation is the one in which the degree of the equation is 2. So in this question, we have the highest power 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Similarly, if we solve x plus 1 over x, so we will get x and x square plus 1. So this is the quadratic equation. Similarly, this is the quadratic equation. And the option equation in option B is a cubic equation, 3x minus 5 over x equals to x square. X will be LCM. We will get 3x square minus 5 equals to x square. When this x square is multiplied by the x, we will get x cube. So it will become a cubic equation. So option B is the right answer. Then we have question number 15, the point collinear with the point 0, 0 and 1, 1. So let's say we have this is x-axis and this is our y-axis. So if we point 1 0 comma 0, so this will be our point 0 comma 0. Similarly, 1 comma 1 will be our point. This is 1 comma 1, and the other point that is collinear with this, it is 2 comma 2. So that these 3 points lie on a straight line. So these 3 points will make a straight line. It means these points are collinear. So the correct answer is option A. Then we have question number 16, in which we have 2 points A and D, and the distance between them is square root 4. We have to find the value of A. So let's say this is x1, y1, x2, y2. The distance formula between these 2 points is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. By putting the values, x2 minus x1 will become 0 minus a, and y2 minus y1 will become 1 minus 3. 0 minus a is a square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 and square is 4. And this distance is equals to square root 4. So these roots will be cancelled out. So we will get a square plus 4 equals to 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. A square is 0 and a is equals to 0. So correct answer is option C. Let's see question number 17 and 18. If the distance between these 2 points is k, so that what will be the equation of these situation? We have 2 points. Let's say this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So the distance between the point is equal to x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square with the positive square root. So distance is k will be equals to x square plus y square with the square root, taking square on both sides so that k square is equals to x square plus y square. Correct answer is option B. Then we have a DMS system in which 30 degrees and 30 minutes. We have to convert this into decimal form. The 30-degree will remain as it is, and 30 minutes will be divided by 60, though, so that it is converted into degrees. So it is equals to 0.5. So 30 degree plus 0.5 degrees equals to 30.5 degrees. So the correct answer is option C. Then we have question number 19. If x equals 45, we have to find the value of cos square x, 1 minus cos square x minus sin square x. We know that 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square x. So let's substitute this here. Sin square x minus sin square x. These will be cancelled out and we will get 0. Correct answer is option A. Let's see question 20. Tan square theta equals m. We have to find the value of sec theta. The relation between tan and sec is tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta, and tan theta equals to m. So it will become m square plus 1 equals to sec square theta. Taking square root on both sides, so the value of sec theta will be equals to plus minus 1 plus m square. So option C is the right answer. Then we have question number 21 and 22. In the given diagram, the angle of elevation from A to B is alpha and from B to C is B degrees. We have to find the value of x. So this dotted line is parallel to the horizontal. This means that this angle will be equals to A and this elevation is equal to B. X is the sum of these two angles, so x will be equals to A plus B. So option D is the right answer. In 22, we have to find the true conditions for this given diagram, in which we have a right angle triangle. This is hypotenuse and one is perpendicular and other is base. So R square should be equals to P square plus Q square. Option C is the right answer. In question number 23, x, y, and z are the measures of sides of right triangle. Which of the following are also measures the right sides of a right angle triangle? So These options could not be the correct because it is negative and the negative sides does not exist. So x, y, and z are the sides of triangle. So according to the simple algebra, if we multiply with any positive number, if we multiply any positive number with the side of a right angle triangle, the result will also form a right angle triangle. So let's say that positive number is k. So the correct answer is option D. Let's see question number 24. In this diagram, who is the center of the circle and which of the following condition is true? In this diagram, we have two chords AB and CD. And the diagram shows that the distance of these two chords from the center of the circle is equal. This means that the chords will be equal to each other. AB is equals to CD. And the reason is that the distance OG and OH are equal. So AB and CD are equal. These chords are congruent. Option B is the right answer. Then let's see question 25 and 26. In this diagram, XY, the length of the chord is 16. This is the length of chord. OP is the radius of the circle. Let's draw this radius. This is radius of the circle. ON is equal to M. ON is the distance from this to this. This is equal to M. We have to find the value of NP. So from the given diagram, let's say this is point O and this is point P and a point N lies somewhere this at this point. So OP, we know that it is also radius that is equals to R and the side ON is equal to M. So this will be equals to OP minus ON. OP is equals to R and ON is equals to M. So R minus M will be the side that is NP. So option B is the right answer. In question number 26, O is the center of the circle and OB, that is the radius, equals to 3 and OP is the distance of a point through which two tangents are drawn to the center of the circle and its value is 15. We have to find the value of Px. So as we can see, OB is the radius, its mean this side OX will also be equals to 3 because this is also radius of the circle and OP is the whole distance from O to P, that is 15, and we have to find the value of Px. So once again the same concept is applied that we have done in the previous question. So this Px will be equals to 15 minus 3 equals to 12. Option C is the right answer. Let's see question number 27 and 28. If O is the center of the circle as shown and AOP is equals to 50, we have to find the measurement AOB. So these two are the tangents and we know that central angle is bisected when a tangent is drawn from a point outside the circle. So if the above angle is 50, so the angle below will also be equal to 50 degree. So the angle AOB, this whole angle will be equals to 100 degrees. Option D is the right answer. In question number 28, we have a circle with center P and a segmental angle is given that is 20. We have to find the angle ABP. So this is the angle ABP. So first of all, this is segmental angle. and the angle at the center P is known as central angle. And we know the relation between central angle and the segmental angle. Central angle is always double of the central angle, segmental angle. So the angle at the center will be equals to 40 degree because angle in the segment is 20. So now let's consider the triangle APB, in which we have two radius that are equal and the angle at the center is 40 degrees. So according to the theorem of triangle, these two angles will also be equal to each other, that is 70, 70. So that 70, 70, 140 and plus 40 will become 180. So the angle at ABP will be equals to 70 degrees. Correct answer is option C. Let's see the last two questions, question number 29 and 30. If O is the center, as shown in the diagram, and which of the angles will be right angle. So we know that whenever angles form in a semicircle, that is always equals to 90 degree, and semicircle is formed with the help of diameter. So the angle that is formed with the help of diameter, that is AB, is the angle that is formed at R. So A, R and B. This angle is equal to 90 degree because these 2 points A and B they are the end points of our diameter, and this point R is on circle. So this R is always equals to 90 degrees. ARB is the right answer, that is in our option D. Then let's see the last question of this year. We have a circle with a center O and we have to find the value of x. So in this diagram, we have a quadrilateral ABCD, and the quadrilateral is such that it's all the vertices, all the points lie on the circle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral, and in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are always supplementary. So the opposite angle of B is angle D. So this angle D will be supplementary of 60, that is 120 degrees. And to find the value of x, we know that these two angles lie on a straight line in which this is 120 and this is angle x. Sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So the value of x will be 60. So the correct answer for the last question of this year is option A.